guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing video of W Concept. W Concept is a online retailer that ships globally, but they mainly sells Korean fashion brands. So you can consider it an urban outfitter of K-beauty. So I ordered from W Concept before as well. I think they're pretty expensive considering their quality is not necessarily very good. I think their quality is like H&M-ish. Maybe a little bit better than H&M. It also depends on the brand. But today, I think I ordered 5 items from them, and it was like $370. If you ask me, that's really extremely expensive. Yeah, I think I should stop rambling. Let's just get started with showing you each pieces inside this box. Show you this one. That's the only bag I got for this haul. So the brand is called Rouge et Lenoir. Yeah, excuse my French. The bag itself, it is really pretty. The color is very sophisticated, and I also do not have a bag with this color. When the first time I saw it, I was like totally fell in love with this. I think the engraving, to be honest, looks really cute. It looks like something that's very high quality. The one downside about this bag, I would say, is definitely that you can fit literally nothing in it. The reason why I wanted to buy this bag is because I still like very small bags. I just think smaller bags look cuter on me. But there is just some days that I need to carry more stuff than just my cushion and my lipsticks. That's why I wanted to buy a bigger bag. And I thought from the picture that you can actually kind of stretch this part to fit more stuff in it. But no, that's not the case for this bag. If you stretch it, you're gonna ruin this bag. If I were to put my cushion BB in, if I were to put another cushion BB in, that's pretty much it. That's like all you can fit in, literally. I mean, again, it looks super cute, but if I can only fit in 2 cushions, I don't think I'm gonna use it a whole lot. Another thing that really turned me off is this. I paid $120, and in Korean's website right now you can get it for around $60. I don't think I needed to pay $60 for the shipping fee. So yeah, I can't make a justifiable decision to keep this, although it is super cute. I think I'm gonna return this. Let's get to the second piece. This one. I don't know if you guys have already noticed, but this is the same thing. So I got this one last year, and I think it's really cute. I really like the design of the sleeve. Yeah, I think it's kind of like princessy-like. I have really enjoyed wearing it, and so I thought I would get another color of this to try on. And this color is actually colored butter. I don't know why it is called butter. I think it is both green and gray. So I already have my makeup on this tag, so I don't think I can return it. But either way, I was not gonna return it, so that's fine. I think it looks pretty cute with a simple fall filling skirt, and you kind of have to put it inside of your skirt. That way your legs look longer. Yeah, that's what I always do, and try to convince myself that my legs are just that long. There was that. I'm gonna keep this. Let's talk about this next one. Done. This one is from Monks. This one I paid $72. And I remember if you were to buy it in Korea, you needed to pay like $50. I think if I need to pay 20 to 30% more than how much it is sold in Korea, that's kind of reasonable because they are shipped from Korea, and I can also return them if I don't like them. But if it is like 50% more, I don't think that's very reasonable. But either way, back to this clothes. I think the quality for this is actually pretty good. For this clothes too, they have this little thread in the waist area, and you can tie it up to kind of showcase your line. And I kind of like the design of this collar. It's like a little bit girly, but sometimes I kind of want that. This button definitely make it a little bit classy and ladylike. I think it fit well with this girly color, so that makes this clothes not extremely on the cute side. That's something I'm always looking for. Also, if a clothes is like extremely girly, I probably shouldn't get it because my friends will be like, Reina, like, what is up? So sometimes when I want something that's a little bit cuter, I need to find a clothes that can give you a mixture vibe, not only cute but maybe also a little bit ladylike, like this one. So overall, I think this one is pretty good and I'm gonna keep this. By the way, all of those clothes are free size. They're all one size. It is usually fine. So I usually get L in China or Korea, and I usually get small or medium, usually small in the States. But most of them fit for me, so I guess that's good. Now I have two left and they're both from the same brand. The brand name is Yen 13. I just realized that it says for upper, it is acrylic 100%, but for lining, it is just empty. What? This also does not feel like extremely good quality. The fit also was not very ideal for me. If you see the picture, I'm gonna show you guys the picture of the model. She looked extremely good in this sweater. That's why I had very high hope for this. And also this one cost $60, which I think you could buy it for $30 if you were to buy it in Korea. They're on sale right now. And something that really turned me off about this sweater is the lining. I don't know if you guys feel the same to me. The way they did the lining makes it feel like I'm wearing it inside out. I mean, it is probably a style that they're going with, but it definitely looks like I'm wearing this inside out. And also, I don't know if you guys can see it, I have tried it on like twice, and this part is already very extended. That really kind of get me worried. I hope they will accept my return, but I just don't think that this is something that can last me a long time, and the fit also wasn't extremely good. That's why I'm saying goodbye to this. The color of this, I think they said it's charcoal, which I feel like it's pretty accurate. The color itself is not bad. Yeah, just the fit wasn't ideal for me. And the last one is this lovely blue sweater vest thingy. This is from the same brand, Yen 13. This one might be the one that I am the most disappointed at. This cost $45, but if I were to buy it in China, in Taobao, for the same quality, I think I can get it for $3. The quality is definitely not good. It does not feel like a very legit material like cotton at all. It is only a vest and it is not even thick. It's really not thick at all. It's pretty thin. I'm charging $55 for that. I think that's not cool. The fit of this thing is just awful. The cut of this is very strange. This part is just gonna be hanging there, dangling and looking weird. And also the shoulder is so wide. So wide. Do you see? This made me look like I'm 80 kilograms or something. I don't know, it probably would look fine if you were extremely slim and you have like a very perfect body, a model body, but definitely not for me. The color is not bad. I really actually do like the color. If this shoulder were not this wide and this part under like your armpit is not loose and dangling, I think I would really like it. Although I don't even think so. I don't know, this material just does not say $55 to me. So, pass. So that was all. That was pretty quick. my suggestion would be either you just buy a lot of stuff and just try it all, and you only need to return them in one box with $12 returning fee. That's one option. Another option is to be very cautious about what you want to buy. And also, if you speak Korean, or even if you don't speak Korean, just go to Naver and type in the brand name, click into the website and see how much it really costs in Korea, and consider if you think it is justifiable to pay this certain amount more to buy this piece. That would be my advice buying from W Concept. I think at least for a little while I'm not gonna buy anything from them, but I do really like Korean fashion, so I may be experimenting with some other famous Korean online shopping malls like YesStyle and Shein. Is it Shein? Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that. Yeah, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.